Swansea University has a dedicated student enterprise team to help all of our students and graduates interested in starting their own business. So, if you're interested in business startup, freelancing, or running a side hustle, we're here to help by giving you the skills and tools needed to work for yourself, whether you're just exploring an idea, ready to launch, or already running your own venture. So, how do we do it? Number 1, business advice. Our in-house business advisor and expert mentors can help you along your journey, from business plans and finance to sales and scaling up. They're available throughout the year and can meet you on campus or online. Number 2, workshops and events. We run a packed program of events to give you the knowledge and network you'll need, from business boot camps and monthly masterclasses to networking sessions and trading opportunities. You can even test your ideas at our student trade stands and seasonal markets, where you can sell your products or promote your services on campus for free. Number 3, funding opportunities. Money shouldn't hold you back from pursuing your ideas. Apply online to our Founders Fund for a chance of securing £1,000 to £5,000 in launching or scaling up your business. Or put your presentation skills to the test at our annual Big Pitch events, giving you the opportunity to pitch your ideas to a panel of expert judges with a chance of winning funding, mentorship, and more. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our Swansea University students and graduates have to say.
So I think the support that the enterprise team has given me more than anything has given me a kick to really go ahead and do it. Knowing that there's support there, knowing there's a safety net there, and knowing there's answers to my questions, it was just the motivation to go and actually do it and start the business.
Whilst I was at Swansea University, unfortunately I never really considered myself a candidate for entrepreneurship, or I never really envisioned myself as a business owner, so I never tapped into the resources at that time. That is something I wish I'd done. But I think ever since launching our business, they've been so supportive. They've offered us assistance whenever necessary. They've offered us trading opportunities, networking opportunities, made really strategic introductions.
Initially, EduT Global was supposed to just be an Instagram page, but literally one conversation with the enterprise team, they gave me so many ideas on how I could scale the business. And I think they were very supportive really in terms of enabling me understand the Welsh third sector space and linking me up with other organisations, resources, funding opportunities.
My advice would be to really leverage your local network, whether that's university, friends or family, and just if you've got an idea, try and nurture it and just explore it. Anything creative or anything that comes to mind. My
advice for other students wanting to start their own business would be to just go for it. Take any free advice you can get from sort of trusted sources like the enterprise team. There's so much support out there for students, more than you can even realise.
So, there you have it. If you're interested in working for yourself in any capacity, get in touch with the Student Enterprise team today.